Pal Dil Ke Paas, which has been directed by Sunny Deol, and it's on the Z5 app. And my God, yeah, like it's for those of us who've never been to Kullu Manali and the Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh, a movie like this just transports you there, and it is the debut film of Karan Deol, the son of Sunny Deol, and Seher Bamba, who is quite like she looks like Kajal Agarwal basically, but really, yeah, I mean, with regard to, in fact, both both of them, the lead pair, they are such a rare find. I mean, because especially Karan Deol, he's got one of the most serene and calm set of eyes I have ever seen in the industry or anywhere. Like, it is. I'd like to really ask this gentleman whether he practices some form of meditation, because it is so rare to see an actor with this level of, he's got the most calm and serene eyes. Yeah, you need to watch this movie just to see Karan Deol. It's it's like the Deol banner is gonna fly high, thanks to, it's amazing. I mean, it's no wonder. I mean, he is Dharmender's grandson, and Sunny Deol's son. So it's just amazing. And see, I mean, so much of the videos just I know I sound starstruck, but and Seher Bamba, the female lead, is, she's like, you wouldn't believe it's her first film. She's a natural as an actor. And if I were to talk of the drawbacks of the film, only the music is not very foot tapping. I mean, not all that foot tapping that you would think, but in every other way, we are given a glimpse into the lives of a Punjabi family, joint family. That is like, it's they're like a real family. Yeah, it's none of this made up filmy dunya kinds. So really, people, this is one movie I can't recommend enough. It's called Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. Of all the reviews that I have ever made till now, this particular movie, I was just taking down notes such that I have had 4 pages filled with notes, about the movie. But that's what, considering I don't particularly make reviews that are 40 minutes long, not even 4 minutes long. So that's what, you'll have to watch this film, because some movies are an experience, and this is one of them. So Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas it is, and it's on Z5 app. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.